Before this, we have completed the synonyms, means the similar meaning words, then antonyms, the opposite meaning words. And next and important part of our vocabulary series was or is one word substitution. Up to alphabet H, we have completed one word substitution. And now next, we begin with I. Sir, क्या कर रहे? Okay. Post disabled participants sharing.
स्क्रीन शेअर करायची का? मुलं करत असते त्यामुळे बंद.
Now, look at your screen now. Incapable of being altered. Incapable of being altered. One word for this is irrevocable. IRREVOCABLE, irrevocable. Incapable of being explained or accounted for. Incapable means not capable. Incapable of being explained or accounted for. And one word for this is unaccountable. 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 Incapable of being reached. Incapable of being reached. Inaccessible. INACCASSIBLE, inaccessible. Incapable of being selected for a job. Incapable of being selected for a job. Ineligible. 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 INELIGIBLE, ineligible. indirect effect or remote effect of some event. Repercussion. Repercussion. Next, instruction for measuring the intensity of light. Instruction for measuring the intensity of light. Photometer. 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 Next, person who pretends to have more skill than than he actually has. Person who pretends to have more skill than he actually has. Inadmissible. 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 Incapable of being expressed in words. Incapable of being expressed in words. Ineffable. 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 Inflammation of the lungs. Inflammation of the lungs. It's a pneumonia. 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 Instrument for viewing objects at a distance. Instrument for viewing objects at a distance. And for this one word is telescope. 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 Now the words begin with J. Journey by water or sea. Journey by water or sea. Voyage. 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 Judgment of a law court. Judgment of a law court used in American English. It's a decree. DACREE. Decree. Next, judicial process or order to stop something. Judicial process or order to stop something. For this, the word is injunction. 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 Judgment of a law court used in British English. It's a verdict. American English, decree. British English, verdict. Judgment of literature. It's a criticism. 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 Now the words begin with K. Killing, killer of a human being. Killing of a human being or killer of a human being. Homicide. 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 Killing or killer of one's father. Patricide. 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 Killing or killer of one's mother. Matricide. The killer of human being. Homicide. Killing or killer of father. Patricide. Killing or killer of one's mother. Matricide. Killing or killer of a king. Regicide. Killing or killer of one's husband. Mariticide. Mariticide. Next page. Words begin with L. Life history of a person written by himself. Life history of a person written by himself. Autobiography. AUTOBIOGREPHY. Autobiography. Light sailing boat built especially for racing. Light sailing boat built especially for racing. Frigate. FRIGATE. List of headings of the business to be transacted at a meeting. List of headings of the business to be transacted at a meeting. One word for that is agenda. AGENDA. Lover of poetry and art. Lover of poetry and art. Philomuse. 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 Laws and principles to govern a state. Laws and principles to govern a state. For that, constitution is a word. CONSTITUTION, constitution. Note down, students, pay attention to this. With hard efforts, we have designed this program for you to get through in SPI entrance examination. Leading life of self-discipline, ascetic, ASCATIC, ascetic. List of books and writings of one author or about one subject. List of books and writings of one author or about one subject. Bibliography. BIBLIOGRAPHY. Look forward to. You often to say this word, look forward to, means this is hope. HOPA, hope. Tejas, very good, nice. All you people, please show, all you students, please pay attention to on your screen. Next, lovers of mankind. Lovers of mankind. Philanthropist. PHILANTHROPIST, philanthropist. Next, lover of women. Philogynist or philogynist. PHILOGYNIST. Remember the spellings. Now the words begin with yum. Meeting for discussion or exchange of views. Meeting for discussion or exchange of views. For this word is conference. CONFERENCE, conference. Next, move along with quick, short twistings. Move along with quick, short twistings. One word for this is regal. WRIGGLE, regal. WRIGGLE, regal. Next, noisy drinking party or merrymaking. Noisy drinking party or merrymaking. One word for this is carousel. CAROUSAL, carousel or carousel. Remember the spelling of this word. Some rare words are there. You have to pay more attention to. Next, not willing to take a definite stand. Not willing to take a definite stand, evasive, evasive, evasive. Notice of the death of a person, notice of the death of a person, obituary, obituary, obituary. Next, name taken by an author instead of his real name. Name taken by an author instead of his real name. And one word for this is pseudonym. Pseudonym, pseudonym. Pseudonym, pseudonym. Next, not allowing light to pass through. Not allowing light to pass through. It's opaque. O-P-A-Q-U-E, opaque. O-P-A-Q-U-E, opaque. Now the words begin with O. One who abandons his religious faith. One who abandons his religious faith. Apostate. A-P-O-S-T-A-T-E, apostate. One who brings goods illegally into the country. One who brings goods illegally into the country. Smuggler. S-M-U-G-G-L-E-R, smuggler. One who cannot be corrected. One who cannot be corrected. Incorrigible. Remember the spelling. I-N-C-O-R-R-I-G-I-B-L-E, incorrigible. One who can use either of his hands with ease. One who can use either of his hands with ease. Ambidextrous. A-M-B-I-D-E-X-T-R-O-U-S. Ambidextrous. Next, occurring here and there or now and then. Occurring here and there or now and then. For this, one word is sporadic. S-P-O-R-A-D-I-C. S-P-O-R-A-D-I-C. Sporadic. S-P-O-R-A-D-I-C. One who analyzes handwriting. One who analyzes handwriting, it's a graphologist. G-R-A-P-H-O-L-O-G-I-S-T, graphologist. One who believes that nothing can be said about God. One who believes that nothing can be said about God. And one word for this is agnostic. A-G-N-O-S-T-I-C, agnostic. Next, one who buys good from a shop. One who buys good from a shop. One who buys goods, G-O-O-D-S, goods from a shop. Customer. C-O-S-T-O-M-A-R, customer. Customer. One who cannot die. Immortal. I-M-M-O-R-T-A-L, immortal. Now the words begin with yan. Parts of a country behind the coast of a river's bank. Part of a country behind the coast of a river's bank. One word for this is hinterland. H-I-N-T-R-L-A-N-D, hinterland. Next, the person interested in reading books and nothing else. The person interested in reading books and nothing else. Bookworm. BOOKWRM. Bookworm. The person known for going to many parties. The person going for the person known for going to many parties. Socialite. 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 Person who can perform unusual physical acts. Unusual physical acts. Person who can perform unusual physical acts. Acrobat. 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 Now next page. Place where neither grass nor trees grow. Place where neither grass nor trees grow. Desert. 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 Next, paper written in one's own handwriting. Paper written in one's own handwriting. It's a manuscript. 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 Person living in the same age or period. Person living in the same age or period. Contemporaries. 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 Person pretending to be somebody he is not. Imposter. Person pretending to be somebody he is not is called imposter. 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 Person taking an important part in state affairs. Person taking an important part in state affairs. Statesman. Physical features of an area. Physical features of an area. Topography. TOPOGREPHY. Topography. TOPOGREPHY. Topography. Sometimes you can see some spelling. At that time you have to listen to the spelling which is being given to you. TOPOGREPHY. Topography. Physical features of an area. Then place of furniture for keeping clothes. Wardrobe. 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 Place where bees are kept. Apiary. 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 Place where birds are kept. Aviary. AVIRY. Aviary. Place where one lives permanently. Place where lives permanently. Domicile. Now the words begin with Q. Quality of being honest. and upright in character. Quality of being honest and upright in character. Integrity. INTEGRITY, integrity. Quick to judge and understand. Quick to judge and understand. Wise. Question or problem difficult to answer. Question or problem difficult to answer. One word for that is puzzle. PUZZLE, puzzle. Now the next words begin with R. Raise a pattern or design on the surface. Raise a pattern or design on the surface. Emboss. 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 Relationship by blood or birth. Relationship by blood or birth. Consanguinity. Remember the spelling here. CONSANGUINITY. Consanguinity. Responsible according to law. Liable. LIABLE, liable. Reasoning power of the mind. Reasoning power of the mind. Intellect. INTELLACT, intellect. Relationship between different aspects of a thing. Relationship between different aspects of a thing. Perspective. PERSPECTIVA, perspective.